went to the doctor's today to check up. A checkup is when the doctor makes sure that your body is healthy. You can get a checkup even if you are not sick. The doctor will check to make sure that you are growing well and taking care of your body. The doctor will check your heart, mouth, ears, nose, and other parts of your body. Kids, it is very important to go to the doctor to check up. Don't be scared because doctors just help to keep you healthy.